Hello and welcome to yet another of my videos. This is to show you that this unit is fixed. I have a customer in Canberra. He sends me stuff all the time, and this was one of his purchases from Japan, and it didn't work on one channel at all due to the fault in that open circuit transformer. As you see, had great difficulty sourcing one out. Finally found one in radio spares. When I ordered, they said they had stock of 17, and then they sent me one. I ordered two, but they sent me one. And so that is one thing. The reason that it is filed is because a FET, which is that one there, which supplies plus 15 volts, became a resistor, and that probably strained the transformer and caused it to melt. Other than that, the unit had a problem with RCA connectors. They were all sort of intermittent. Well, coaxial wasn't, but one of those was, so I replaced them all. And also it had been converted from 110 volts to 240. A lot of trickery went behind the scenes on the bottom of the board to not only rewire the transformers, but also to have them still go through VOMs, which is a protection against surge. One other thing that needed to be replaced was that power supply. Well, turn it down. For some reason, even though they have four 5-volt supplies, they have a fifth one that goes to the digital board, separate. So possibly they use a different one for analog and different one for digital, and this is probably for digital stuff. And then analog 5 volts, and these are plus and minus 15 for the DACs at the back. So the original switch mode for the digital board was only accepting 110 volts, so to convert it I had to get a 240 volt one. So that's about, folks. I think the owner will be happy that at least he has a decent DAC now. I showed you that before, that you can check the upsampling. It was 192, 96, 48K. And then you can go back to whatever it was. You can turn off display and then have a sharp filter, or, well, they say call it short. Normally it is just not a steep. And then you can select the input from coaxial or optical. Very nice unit, very well made, and I think he'll be very happy with it. I'm yet to put it on my system and test it via the balanced outputs. It's a proper balanced circuitry, the differential one, so it should really sound very, very well. Well, thank you very much for your time. Until next time.